Sometimes an excuse is the best excuse to meet with your friends. New season of Stranger Things? Let's make a watch party. You don't have to spend fortune or sweat behind the bar all night. Today we're going to set up a Stranger Things drink buffet with a Demogorgon Negroni, Mind Flayer punch, Hellfire Club beer labels and little details to try make it feel like an upside down. Hey guys, Simple Bartender here. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes as we prep full Stranger Drink station at home. Everything from batching cocktails, making the Demogorgon garnish, styling the table, a couple of easy hacks you can use for any theme. Let's get into it. Negroni is one of the best party hacks out there. It's a simple recipe of equal parts. It lasts in the fridge for weeks and you can twist the flavor profile endlessly. For Stranger Things setup, we've leaned into the idea that hibiscus flower looks like a Demogorgon's head, so I chose this for a garnish and a flavor profile. Step 1. Degarnish. This part is ridiculously simple. Get some orange peels, removing the white pith and putting them into the twists. Take the hibiscus flowers, then open them slightly so they flare out like the Demogorgon's head, mouth, the thing. They sit beautifully on a drink and give it a nice, deep, dramatic color. Step 2. Preparing your spirits. I infused Campari with hibiscus, 50 grams per 350 milliliters for about 24 hours. I did the same with the gin, using Tasmanian pepper berries to give it the spicy and earthy kick. Step 3. Batching. Into a jug or measuring container add 350 milliliters hibiscus Campari, 350 milliliters pepperberry gin, 350 milliliters sweet vermouth, and 500 cold filtered water for dilution. Step 4. Bottling. You can absolutely put this one in a large bottle for easy pouring, but for the station I used single-serve bottles. Guests can grab one, put it over ice, garnish, done. It looks cool and it's fun for your guests. I made Demogorgon Negroni bottle label printed at home, as well as a Hellfire Club Pale Ale beer bottles labels for the extra touch. Next up, Mind Flayer punch. Punch is perfect for parties because it runs itself. No shaking, no stirring, no stress. I follow a simple ratio. 2 parts sour, 1 part sweet, 3 parts strong, 4 parts weak. For this punch we used sour, cranberry and citrus, sweet, citric oleo, strong, dark rum and homemade orange nalewka, weak, Shiraz plus a little bit more juice. Add a tiny pinch of blue edible glitter and it becomes this dark swirling ball of upside down. Decorating and serving. This is the part everyone overthinks, but honestly, I didn't buy anything new. I just raided the house and I got my mother-in-law old radio, some vintage cassettes, Dungeons and Dragons dice, printed labels, fairy lights, a bit of colored lighting. I spray painted the set of sticks from my backyard black to create a little Mind Flayer punch stand. Obviously, it's nothing mind-blowing, but for not spending a cent it does the trick. No need turning it into a full art project. The best part, guests serve themselves all night and you don't lift a finger. So that's the full behind-the-scenes build of the Stranger Things drink station. 2 simple batch cocktails, beer and wine and a few themed touches and you sorted. If you want the full recipes or printable labels, feel free to ask me in the comments and I can send you the templates. Na zdrowie and happy hosting!